Hello and welcome to another edition of Learn IT with Mr. P. Today we're going to examine file permissions with the LS command and also use the CHMOD, a CHMOD command, to change a file from read-only to executable. So let's put this LS command into action. I have a very easy demo here to show you. Let me type in the word LS, which we've seen before. And when we do that, it just indicates the names of the file or files that are in the directory. In this case, was only one file, hello world or hworld.sh. It's a shell file that I wrote earlier. And that's the only file in there. But let's find out some more information about that. So I'm going to type in ls with a space and a -l. Means the long version. And we're going to see a different output now to the screen. We see the number here that says total 4. This refers to the number of blocks that are on the physical storage device that we're using for this file. We then see this field here of RW and hyphens and RWs and R. This indicates the access or the permissions for the file. R and W means read access and W means write access. But you don't see an X. Those are these little dashes that are in between. That would be an executable, but we're going to change that in a little while. Following here, there's a number 1. This is going to indicate the number of directory links. It's not really important for this demo, but understand that number indicates. You'll see my name twice. The first name is the owner of the file. That's my case of being Neil P. The second one is the group that you're a member of. Again, it's Neil P. So it will be different perhaps on your system. The next number we see is 33. That indicates the number of bytes that this file is stored, how much it takes up. We then see a date and time. That indicates the last time this file was modified. And the hworld, again, that's just the name of the file. This screen shows the same information, but I've expanded it. Hopefully this is something you can pause on and look at it later if you need to. Again, the first part of the output, the RW-R, this indicates the file permissions. R means read, W means write. The next is a number of 1. That just means how many directory links or how many entries in the disk directory structure there are for this file. The Neil P and the Neil P, this is the file owner name, file followed by the file owner group. 33 is the size of the individual file in bytes. January 30th, 1358, this is the date and time of the most recent modification of the file. And again, hworld.sh, that's just the file name. So when we examine the file in this directory, we saw it only had R and W, or read and write permissions. Just to prove that, I'm going to do the usual way of seeing if a file is executable, just entering a period, a slash, and then the name of the file, hworld.sh. And I get back, permission denied, can't be done. So let's make this an executable file. I'm going to use the CHMOD or CHMOD command. And I'm going to add executability or execute rights to this file. Type in CHMOD. I'm going to add by using the plus sign, makes sense, and the X for execute to hworld.sh. I hit enter. Now let's double check to make sure that it's actually been done. ls-l. And now you see for the first time that there's an X showing up in the permissions. So now let's try to run the file using the way I did it before. And I hit enter, and there it is. So that's what we're using the CHMOD command to do. I've changed this file's attributes to allow it to be executable. So again, I hope you like this demonstration. Let me know in the comments if there's anything else you want me to show you, and continue on your learning to become an IT professional. Hi, I hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe, but more importantly, Leave a comment so I know what type of topics you'd like me to go into next time, what things you'd like me to explore in more depth, and certainly how I can help you on your journey to become an IT professional. Thank you again.